Number of tangents to the circle. See this one, first case. If P is inside the circle, you cannot draw a tangent to that point. Okay. Now, if P is on the circle, we can draw only one tangent to that point. Now, if P is outside the circle, you can draw two tangents from that point to the circle. And from P to T1, that is from the point to the point of contact of the circle, that is called length of the tangent. PT1 and PT2 are the lengths of tangent. Now, theorem 10.2, the length of tangent drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. So that is here figure it is given there. PQ and PR. You should prove that PQ and PR are equal. You should learn this theorem statement and proof. Now look at this one. How will you prove this one? PQ angle PQO and PRO both are 90 degree. That we have already learned that radius will be perpendicular to the tangent. So PQO is equal to PRO 90 degree. So right angle you got. Now OQ and OR are radius. So OQ is equal to OR. Okay. Then OP is equal to OP itself. Okay. Now if you are taking these two triangles, that is first one OQP and ORP. First one you have to write as OQP, angle OQP will be equal to ORP, that is 90 degree. OQ is equal to OR, that is radius, and OP is equal to OP itself. So by RHS, these two triangles are congruent, RHS theorem. So PQ will be equal to PR, CPCT you can write. Okay. Now example 1. Prove that two concentric circles of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact. Now here how will you prove? See this one, two concentric circles are there, okay, with same center O. Bigger circles chord is tangent to the circle smaller one. Okay, so here we have already learned that the length of radius will bisect the chord. Okay, so OP is the radius, so that OP will bisect that AB, that is AP will be equal to PB, but AP and PB are equal, then AB is a tangent to this smaller circle. So that same one, the perpendicular from center will bisect that tangent also. Now example 2, you see two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that PTQ is equal to 2 times OPQ. Now let us draw that one. Now here you have to prove that PTQ, that is equal to 2 times OPQ. Okay, now first let us start with PTQ, that is equal to theta. Let angle PTQ is equal to theta. Now we have already learned that length of tangent from one point will be equal, that is TP will be equal to TQ. That means TPQ is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so isosceles triangle, so their base angles will be equal, that is TPQ, angle TPQ is equal to TQP, because TPQ, the triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle. Okay, now both of them will be equal. Now we have already learned that in a triangle all the three angles together will be 180. So to find TPQ, both of them are equal, so it will be TPQ is equal to TQP, that is equal to half of 180 minus theta. Okay, 180 minus theta, half of 180, 90, 90 minus theta by 2 it will come. Okay, now but we know that TPO, that is 90 degree. Okay, TPO, this angle TPO is equal to 90 degree, because it is the radius will be perpendicular to the tangents, so this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, TPO is equal to 90 degree. So here we have to find that OPQ. So TPO you can write as angle TPO is equal to TPQ plus OPQ. Now this angle is this one plus this, or OPQ is equal to, angle OPQ is equal to TPO minus TPQ TPO is equal to 90 minus theta by 2. This one is 90 minus theta by 2. So 90 and 90 it will get cancelled, minus into minus, theta by 2. What is theta by 2? That is equal to, so OPQ is equal to theta by 2 you are getting, or 2 times OPQ is equal to theta you are getting. What is theta? That is equal to PTQ. So PTQ, angle PTQ will be equal to 2 times OPQ. Now example 3, PQ is a chord of length 8 cm of a circle of radius 5 cm. The tangent at P and Q intersect at a point T. Find the length TP. So the figures given in the textbook. So PQ is a chord. So this length from the center will divide the chord into 2 equal halves. So it will be 4 and 4. PR will be equal to 4 and RQ is also 4. Now this angle is 90 degree, that is PRO is 90 degree, that is perpendicular, that we already learned in 9th standard. So RO you can find out. RO will be 5 square minus 4 square. So 5 square is 25. So RO will be equal to root of 5 square minus 4 square, that is 25 minus 16, that is equal to root of 9, that 3. So RO is equal to 3 you will get. Now let us mark that TP is equal to X and TR is equal to Y. Okay. So if this one is 90 degree, this also will be 90 degree. So you will get triangle PTR as a right angle triangle. PTR is a right angle triangle. So in that one, X is the hypotenuse. So X square will be equal to Y square plus 4 square, or X square will be equal to Y square plus 16 you can write. Okay. Now at the same time, this also is a right angle, that is TPO. When you are taking triangle TPO is also a right angle triangle. Now for that right angle triangle, Y plus 3 is the hypotenuse. So Y plus 3 the whole square will be equal to X square plus 5 square. Okay. Now here X square will be equal to Y plus 3 the whole square minus 5 square. So solve these two equations to get Y. Okay. Now equate this one. Y square plus 16 is equal to Y plus 3 the whole square minus 5 square. So Y square plus 16, that is equal to here Y square plus 6Y plus 9 minus 25. Y square both sides you can cancel. So 16 is equal to 6Y minus 16. Or 16 you can take here. 6Y is equal to 16 plus 16, that is 32, or Y is equal to 32 by 6 you will get. So Y you got 32 by 6. So you can find out X square is equal to Y square plus 16 or you can cancel this one, 16 by 3 to make it X square is equal to so 16 square, or 16 you can take outside. 16 by 3 plus 1 to So taking LCM 9 16 plus 9, that is 25 by 9. So x will be equal to root of this all, 4 into 5 into 3, that is equal to 20 by 3 you can take. Okay. Now x value got, that is 20 by 3. So x is our length of tangent, that is equal to 20 by 3. So how we got that one? First one, using the property of chord and length of the perpendicular from center, you got this one as 3. Now first take the triangle TPR, that is a right angle triangle. So for that one, x is a hypotenuse. So you got a relation x square is equal to y square plus 4 square. Then take the bigger triangle, that is TPO. In that one, TPO angle, TPO is right angle. Now for that, TO is the hypotenuse. So y plus 3 the whole square will be equal to x square plus 5 square. Solving that one, you will get y and you can find out x.